Are you ready to make your book amazing? Are you serious about learning your craft and taking it to the next level? Well, you've come to the right place, because not only are we writing a book every Friday and you can watch the process from the inside out, we also offer classes, a how-to book you can get on Amazon, and all kinds of weekly motivation and discussions and everything else. But what's more, we're offering a monthly manuscript mastermind where you can sign up to get hands-on feedback from me about your book. That mastermind is going to help you build a community, deepen your craft skills, and take you to that next level. I want you to be an amazing author because I have been there. I quit writing and threw it all away. I've been rejected by agents, by editors. I've had one-star reviews, but I have also had great success. I have hit the New York Times list, the USA Today, the Amazon, been award winner, had my book sell out, seen my book sold in 24 different countries. And I am here to bring you everything I have learned to help you become an amazing author that readers will talk about.